Okay. Hi, this is the Sprint 2 video for the ARS Virtual Studio SIG. During the sprint, we did a task matching algorithm, which matched tasks based off the bipartite maximum weight matching for graphs. We used the Network X GitHub package for this, as well as the path similarity from the pi word census ambiguation to get the edges between the nodes in the graph. We also added a direct DTR word match for words such as like parse, react, storyboarding, so we could get words that weren't disambiguated.
So as you can see here, this is the first version of the interface that we have. So for this input task storyboard design arguments, you can see that we have like some related results that show up where the scores here reference how well the story and the task match the inputted query. So for example, here you can see, draw up workflows and storyboards and a lot of things that are kind of in that same domain. So the next thing that we really focused on was doing the design arguments. So we had a few different outcomes from our design arguments, the first of which was improving ability to develop research plans that are realistic, actionable, and deliver value. And so a lot of the things that we tried to sort of initially, think out with this first version of the interface come from the design arguments for outcome one. In addition, we had some things that went into that, like identifying proper nouns or research studio specific terms and using those to influence the results. And also we wanted to look into potentially crowdsourcing ratings for the suggestions that we give by having some sort of feedback system built into the tool.
So we also went over outcome 2 for the design arguments. Outcome 2 is reduced time and energy spent battling blockers. We really figured out what a blocker is we defined it really well, and it's really when you stop learning and you're wasting your time. We figured out like what fast is for a user. Fast is about 5 seconds. And we wanted to figure out what useful results are, and we claim these are non-Googleable. So stuff like pinging people on Slack or based on their expertise or looking at their Git repo, what they've done. Information of documents are unique to our research. So like our meeting notes, our DTR documents, Slack messages, or Loft or other guides that we can figure out the information from that.
So another thing that we did was also do 4 sketches on new ideas for this interface. And we hope to do 1 new mock-up. And additionally, we want to do more user testing with this system. We've done 1 so far, which was very helpful. And so we're looking to do more of those.